Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to create a fun sparkly mani using two dip powders from Zebra Glitter and Nails, and I'm very excited to try out these dip powders and liquids because I've never tried anything from Zebra Nails. So the first color here is called Black Buckle. It's a beautiful dark purpley burgundy glitter, and the sparkle is really amazing, and it's in a light purple base, and I really like that about this glitter. And then the next one here is perfect for the holiday seasons. It is called Christmas Daze, and this is a beautiful fine rose gold glitter. Check it out. Look how fine that glitter is on that swatch. It is beautiful, and it kind of has a holographic vibe to it, but it's super pretty and very fine, and it applies really well. So look at the two colors together. It's giving me all those warm, cozy holiday vibes, and I'm super excited. So here are the liquids. This is the base, and then there's a color dot on the top so you know what your bottles are if you're like looking on top. And there is the activator. And both three liquids have the same brush. And then we have the shiny top coat, and the shiny top coat is super shiny. You will see it here in action in the end result. It definitely lives up to his name. So super excited to try the liquids. We're going to be doing them on my short Coffin jelly tips, and we're also going to be doing an ombre. So we're going to dive right in to the base. I'm going to do the thumb first. So right now, check out this brush. It's super different. It's kind of like a half oval brush on the tip, and then it's very elongated all the way to the cap, and I really like this brush. There's just something about how the brush is shaped and how long it is, and it just applies that dip liquid base so smooth. And it doesn't, the way it's shaped and how thin it is and long, you do not pick up a lot of dip liquid, which is great because that will help prevent any like cuticle flooding or anything like that. So I really am obsessed with the brush in this base so far. So right now I'm going to go ahead and do the thumb completely. We're going to be doing a glitter ombre as well on a couple fingers. That's what I really like to try when I'm trying out new dip liquids. I like to put them to the test to see what the dry time is. So right now with the thumb, I was able to go ahead and apply that first layer of dip base. I went ahead and dipped it into the cupcake liner, and I was able to clean up my cuticle line and dust it off right away. So I would definitely say these are medium fast dry time. And I didn't have any issues when I was ombreing or anything like that. So I really did enjoy using these liquids. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and let you watch this mani process. It's a little bit longer of a mani because I am doing dip liquids and I'm doing the ombre and clear encapsulating. But I really enjoyed how this mani came out, and the sparkle is super pretty. So I hope you enjoy this mani process, and I'll pop back in at the end. All right, we're just wrapping up this sparkly mani, and how pretty is this mani? The sparkle is so pretty, and I really like how it's a super fine glitter, and that shine of that top coat is next level. So to finish up the mani, I'm just going to go on some cuticle oil from Glitzy Co. And I really like this mani. I think it's the perfect holiday mani, so you can get away with this mani literally any time of the year, but it's perfect for that Thanksgiving and holiday season. So definitely I will go ahead and link everything that we use in today's video in the description box below. If glitters are not your jam, Zebra Nails has tons of other different colors, a wide variety selection, so definitely check that out. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in tomorrow's upload. Bye!